It is finally happening. I have been teasing you guys with these new Color Wave committed crew jet tags for the longest time. On Friday, July 24th, we are finally having our next merch drop. Make sure you guys are following the committed crew so you don't miss any important updates. We have some shirts, we have some stickers, we have a bunch of stuff coming for you guys. But I have had these since the last merch drop. They came in late. They missed the date, all right? This one's a little bit beat. It's been on my quad for a little while, but new merch is coming for you guys. July 24th. Do not miss it. Yeah. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today was I keep doing this. I'm not happy about it. It's 2:41 in the afternoon and I'm getting started. What happened to 9 o'clock starts? I actually have a pretty good reason for why I've been getting late starts. I'm gonna explain that to you guys later. And I just wanted to say that I never talk about this kind of stuff, right? I don't voice my opinion on a lot because you know what? Everybody can do whatever they want. Everybody live their own life, and that's something that I believe in. But I just want to say that if you live somewhere where they're telling you need to wear a mask, don't be a Karen and wear your fucking mask. I never talk about it, but like I have a mask right here in my truck. You see, when I go places, I put the mask on so I don't kill people because I'm not better than anyone and neither are you. So please just, yeah, the last couple days I've just had some really weird, it recently became mandatory, I guess, around us a lot to wear the masks. Like up until now, it's been kind of like your choice. If you don't want to wear a mask when you go out, that's fine. But unfortunately, you can't watch the rest of this video. Anyways, today is a day that, you know what? I kind of knew was coming. I'm super excited to do it. It's just, like I said, I'm really sick of spending money lately, so I've been putting this off, but it can no longer be put off anymore. Woohoo, boys and girls, and your moms if you watch with your moms. One of these bad boys is coming home with us today. I am so fired up. We've been looking at trailers for like the last 2 days. You know how much that sucks? They're all pretty much the same, yet they're all kind of different. It wasn't as much fun as buying a car, I could tell you that. Woo, boys! Paperwork, don't need that. License plate. Your boy just got a trailer. Now, my truck does this actually pretty cool thing that I haven't got to try yet. So when you back this thing up, you can put a little trailer button. Dude, it takes you right to the tongue. Look at that. Look how dope that is. You know what? I do need my ball though. That's just whatever I already had. I'm gonna need a little bit more. Yeah, that was good before I lifted it. Now I need probably another 2 inches or so. This is just like a shitty trailer hitch I got for when I had a shitty trailer. It has a 2.5 inch drop. Definitely doesn't compete with the 4 inch lift in 35s. So what do you got here? You got a 4 and a 6.
Yeah, we'll see what's better.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay, that's good. So that's a 4.
Okay.
That might be the one.
Yeah?
6 is gonna be too low.
Yeah, 6 might be a little too low. It's lifted too, so it'll sag a bit more, right?
4.
So we'll do the 4, yeah.
What is he doing?
He's swapping my balls. He said he has a gun up there, so he's just gonna go play with my balls quick. Dude, this is fire. You guys know I've never actually had a brand new trailer. Our last trailer, the one we built was nice, and then the ATV trailer I have right now is an absolute hoopty. And then the members know that we actually bought a trailer that we were gonna build, and it all just kind of fell apart. I told him our plans with this thing and what we're gonna be doing, and he was like, you know what? I wanna make sure you're safe. I wanna hold you down on your trip. And the man even hooked me up with a spare tire, because apparently, the trailer doesn't come with a spare tire. So shout out Coquitlam, that's fire. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful, baby. Yo, we are rolling, baby. Hold on to your horses, Betsy. Yee-yoo. I got a cool trailer now, boys. I'm one of the cool kids. Oh! Woo! Trailer brother! Trailer brother! Hell yeah, brother! Nice trailer! Trailer brother! Look at this. Look at all these future trailer brothers. Dude, to be honest, the trailer's empty, but I think the empty trailer weighs like 1,800 pounds. You don't even really feel it. Like behind the truck, you know it's there. I need to figure out the trailer brakes because that'll be important once we get weight going. I don't know, dude, I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm fired right now. Excited about it. I just can't contain the trailer brother in me. Alright, boys, look at this thing, dude. This is so hot. I feel like a lot of YouTubers be getting trailers and they just like, oh yeah, I got a trailer, yeah, keep going. I don't know how you guys do that. I love trailers, dude. I think trailers are super cool. I hope you guys do too, because I'm about to blab. But dude, I think I'm also kind of fired up because this is like half the reason I bought this truck was to tow a trailer. and now we actually have the trailer. My main purpose for getting this was because it's gonna make me go have fun. Especially now that the Genesis is manual swapped, I want to start getting into like abusing my cars. At the beginning of this channel, I actually used to take the BRZ to like autocross days. I used to go do stuff. I just like somewhere along the line, I stopped doing that. But I want to get more into driving and get just like my personal skill set up and have fun, mainly just go have some fun. So this thing is going to allow us to go have lots of fun, take untuned cars to the dyno. Plenty of cool stuff can be done with this trailer. So this is an 18-foot dovetail, which is super fancy. Basically super nice for like loading up my cars because it has a little dovetail at the end, or beaver tail, whatever you guys call it, wherever you live. How it just kind of like curves back the last 2 feet. That puts a little bit less stress on trying to get a car up. Got hooked up with a spare, like I said. I don't know anything about trailers. I'm just telling you guys what I got. The jack, which like undoes and pivots down and pivots back up, which is nice. It's not one that you have to crank a million times to get it enough ground clearance. And it's a 7,000 pound trailer, so it can tow, it weighs like 1,800 pounds, so I can put on it just over 5. Not that I would with this thing, but like, I could do it. Oh, I forgot to tell them the most important part. It's wide body approved, baby. It's a wide body flat deck. That's the whole reason I bought this one. This one's wide body approved. This is the key selling feature to me, and unsponsored maybe to you. Check this out. So the BRZ, can we show them? Like, I don't even know if they'll believe me. In this car, with the camber on the thick ass wheels, measures in at 82, I can't get the camera at a good angle. 82 inches, dude. That's a big boy. The legal limit on trailer width, I think, is 7 feet. More than 7 feet, you have to do an over axle, but over axle, you can't get a car on top of, I don't know. All right, and then in this gap, 83 and like 1/8, dude. That's every trailer though.
But that was like our key, because everyone was like, oh yeah, it's like 81, 82, 83. Like they weren't ever sure how wide their
Yeah, we made everybody tape it. It was a really embarrassing like 2 days. People don't understand that like I need the 83 inches. Will a BRZ that's 82 fit in between this gap that's 83? Probably not, without scratching the shit out of my wheels. This is the only trailer, so shout out PJ Trailers, that makes removable fenders, dog. Maybe you guys have seen this before, but I haven't seen this, dude. This is dope. So these fenders are literally held in with just a bolt here, and maybe more actually. I don't fully know. So if we unbolt both fenders, we get at least 4 to 6 inches of extra width that I can use to pull this BRZ right up on there. Not that I really want to trailer the BRZ. I love driving that car, but if I like, once we boost it, which that's part of the thing that I haven't told them, but the boost is already
en route to...
It's just... Honestly, not that hard.
Like you're good.
Taylor Dan here, loading up BRZs from Monday to Friday. Yeah! For a first load, I have to say we killed that. You didn't panic, you helped me, thank you. I've only done Courtney's job, standing outside and yelling, yeah, you're good, you're not good, whatever. I've never actually driven the car onto the trailer. I honestly thought we were gonna break something. Just a little baby amount of room on this side, and just a little baby amount of room on this side, dude. Like, there's still room. The thing is, when I'm pulling up, if I come in at like the wrong angle, you know what I mean? Like, say I came in here on a terrible angle, Courtney wasn't paying attention, I don't want to take my rim and go across the side of it. I can just take it off, I load it without worrying, and I put it back on, and we boom. Honestly, trailer tow's like a dream. Like, obviously you feel it, have it in tow haul mode. I know I'm towing something, it's not like there's nothing there, but I have towed worse scenario. I might get bags for my truck because it squats a little bit and I don't want it to squat too much for too long. Anyways, trailer stuff is over. There's a couple things I want to deal with on the Genesis. Most importantly, I think, we need to fix this because you have no idea how annoying it's gonna be that I can't take this key out, shut up, without having this thingy in the passenger seat. I don't know about you, but I don't want to look at this. The clip right here that we've been using, oh, the clip right, stop! One of these has to be a parking sensor signal. And if I can find out which one, and I can kind of do some sort of like jump it, you know, like put a relay on it. I don't know. We're having just as much fun trying to find diagrams as we are with trying to buy parts for this thing. You gotta wonder which sensor is the important one here. If my channel has not taught you to just start sending it and see what happens and see what you can make happen on your own, then I don't know what I have taught you. I open this thing up. There's a little like memory board type thing back here with the plug. Took the plug out. I figured maybe if I just, you know, take out that little board, whatever. There's a sensor right here, right where the park looks like it is. So I'm assuming that that is the sensor that we are after. Nothing. Awesome. You guys can hear it. Listen, when you press this. Just tuck it underneath the carpet a little bit, and we should be good to go at all times now. Probably could have just put like a wire from one end of that to the other end of that and just connected them, and it probably would have completed the signal, but I don't know if there's like any sort of little resistor in that little clampy thing. I don't do good with electrical stuff, so I just use the parts that are already there so nothing goes wrong. Something else that I want to take care of is, I showed you guys that the ECU didn't fit, but I never showed you guys what I did do it to get it running in the parking lot, and like when we went for a little street test. Both of these ECU boxes sat inside of this bracket, so it kind of spaced them out, gave them, I guess, room to breathe, keep cool, and the hood won't close with it like that. Like, it's supposed to go in here, and because we use this 240 reservoir, it doesn't want to close now. So I had one just kind of chilling there. I took the other one, flopped it over here, and now I got to figure out how I'm gonna place these because there's no extra wires. There's no room to extend any of them. I'm gonna show you guys this because I show you guys things that work. I show you guys things that don't work all the time just to show you that. This is something I just spent probably 45 minutes trying to do, and I got nowhere, dude. I tried to stretch the cord all the way to this side to see how much wiring we had. I tried like 6 or 7 different placements with the ECU on this side. I couldn't make anything work. So what I ended up doing, you may call this janky, but you might just call this the other side of my luck for making some stuff work. Because I don't have a lot of room here, I had to permanently delete this guy. I even hammered in all the tabs, tried to make it smaller. And then these, it looks kind of shitty because they're just zip tied, but they're zip tied to the strut tower, so they're actually really tight. Then I just went around and I like bolted this back down because this was undone, put this back up here, put this back so the power steering should stop making noise. Essentially this was hanging like upside down, so it was just sucking in air. You guys can see it's like full, so hopefully that noise will go away. Make sure that everything I did didn't mess anything up. Beautiful. It wasn't a whole lot that I wanted to do on the Genesis. I thought that was gonna honestly take a little bit longer to figure out. In reality, it took me actually, I've been doing stuff on here for a couple hours, but for you guys, it's probably been no time. I just wanna say thank you to you guys, cause like, I've been thinking a lot lately how crazy everything is, and like how quickly it gets crazy. Like, first of all, I have my own massive warehouse to do literally whatever I want. This car has been fully built. We recently purchased some toys to have some fun. I just got a brand new truck, lifted wheels, tires, and exhaust like almost right away. The BRZ is looking hot. Jasmine is doing Jasmine. And I was just able to go out and purchase a brand new beautiful flat deck trailer. And none of this is like to try and flex on you. You guys know I don't care. I need a haircut. I don't care about like impressing anybody. I don't want to impress anybody. I just do what I gotta do, have fun and enjoy my life. I just never thought I'd be at a place where I could just do that. Like, I need a trailer and I just went out and bought it, and I could afford to just go out and buy it and not have to stress about it. Like, I'm not loaded, I don't have money to go buy another one. Just go for it. Like, that's what I've done with everything that you guys are seeing, and like, I couldn't be more thankful for you guys always watching and buying the merch and participating and helping me be able to do this. Like, obviously I bought that trailer right now for something that I'll tell you about soon. I probably could have waited a little bit longer to buy it, but I have something coming up. I don't know, it's just crazy to me because I never thought that I would be in a position where I could just do that, and just going out and buying a trailer like that just blows my mind that I can even do it. You guys will also notice that the ramps and the spare tire are in the shop. We've had some crackhead problems lately. They've been like all in this parking lot. They can't really do much because they kind of have to climb the fence to get in, and it's a barbed wire fence. They really have to be wanting to be in here, but once they're in here, I don't know, crackheads do weird stuff, so I'm trying to hide all my stuff from the crackheads right now. Anyways, I think what I'm trying to say is thank you guys for letting me be able to do this. And when I said I was just gonna start doing whatever I want to have fun, I think you guys saw that after that video, that you guys can tell there's been like an upbeat change in the content, and I'm like happy, I'm having more fun, I'm just doing whatever the hell I want to do. Follow the Committed Crew so you guys do not miss it. Follow them on Instagram. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.